Zing Jazz is started with Bliss. Break quickly at the start. Rushing about the outside main core. Sunspots in between horses. Is surprise call. The next online is Wow Pogi. Alongside comes Star of Manel. Then next online Odessa. Down on the inside is Mr. Universe. Rushing up is Scholar. And a half-mile distance, they traveled with main core. Sunspots now takes command by Orlink and Hop. And in second, Bliss. Surprise call is racing in third. And in fourth comes Star of Manel, Wow Pogi. Scholar, Odessa comes next, Mr. Universe, while Nihao now racing in last. And Diana entering the home stretch with main core. Sunspot moving up down on the inside, Bliss as they swing for home. We have main core, Sunspots by about 2 lengths. Bliss in second, Wow Pogi now trying to get closer in third. Last 100 meters, we have main core, Sunspots followed by Wow Pogi. Entering the finish line, main core, Sunspot, Wow Pogi is down on the inside and finally it's Wow Pogi. Close with main core, Sunspots. Then comes Bliss, Odessa.
4, no? Direct.